want you to see this. I have aliens that talk to me through my Electrolux washer that I got from Standard TV and Appliance. They've been out here and they told me there was no aliens in my machine trying to talk to me. Listen to it. Sending out code. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm scared. I'm going to use some cut-right wax paper to line my hat with. Wait a minute. Maybe that's Reynolds wraps. Aluminum foil. Is that what you do to stop the aliens from talking to you? Or you quit buying crap like this? Oh my word, this is the third set I've purchased. 2 Samsungs that I had for 3 years. Spent $700 trying to get the washer fixed to no avail. I had red, and they were on top of these drawers. Yeah, these drawers are $250 a piece. And I didn't want a mismatched pair in my beautiful laundry room, mud room. So anyway, what should I do, people? Sue the heck out of them, or should I communicate with the aliens? Yes. Oh, and this had smoke pouring out of it. It goes off balance, and the rubber gets all gets all over the place. Anyway, what a disappointment. I think I've spent $10,000 on appliances in this last 5 years. What a shame.